welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. I hope you guys like the video I did on the passport. I hope it's informative. I hope it's helpful. So this is another video. Today I want to talk about relationships, specifically marriage and changes a lot of people do when they're married. So oftentimes a lot of people change when they're married. Their attitude change towards their friends, to their family, towards their spouse, for various reasons. I don't think a person should necessarily change for the worse. You can change for the better, but I don't necessarily think you should change for the worse. I don't necessarily think you should stop talking to your friends or start treating your friends differently or start treating your family differently or treating your kids differently because a ring is on your finger. I think what's important is balance. You need to balance your marriage, you need to balance your friendship, you need to balance school, you need to balance life. And having balance and being accommodating will help to continue to grow the bonds that you have with these people that you had before you were married. Because once you get married now and all of a sudden you change and you know talk to people no more, or you isolate yourself, or you don't do stuff with your friends no more, they're going to be affected by that. Your family or friends are going to be affected, and then they're going to be like, oh, your partner changed you. That's one of the first things people normally say. Oh, your partner changed you, this wasn't you. You know, why you acting brand new, why you acting different. So I think finding balance is important. Like being rooted to who you are and staying true to yourself is important as an individual, and just, you know, being loving, caring and kind, you know, is also important. Oftentimes you see people, they'll not go with their friends anymore, they'll not, you know, probably party or do certain things anymore because they feel that people are going to judge them. Oh, you're a married person now, you can't talk about this, or you can't watch this, or you can't wear this, or you can't wear that. What that does is put you in now in a situation where you're uncomfortable. Because honestly, this was you before yesterday. So you get married yesterday, and after yesterday, you know, oh, I'm a brand new person. I'm a Plunkett. No, no, I can't do this and I can't do that, and you know what I mean. No, I believe that you should, you know, be yourself. Be yourself, but be more mindful of your partner. Be more mindful, you know, of your wife or your husband. Be a team player now. If you're going to make a decision, ensure that they're involved. If you're going to do something, you consult with your partner, you consult with your husband, or you consult with your wife. I think that's very important. I think that is what people misunderstand. They feel like, alright, as a woman, as a married woman, I can't do this, or I can't do that because my husband will say this and that and that. And in reality, your husband might be open-minded and be like, we're a team player, we're a team. We can consult and talk to each other about stuff, and then we make a decision. You don't have to be thinking that, oh, once I get married now, then my husband won't let me go out and my husband won't let me have friends, or my husband. Yes, I know that a lot of people do that. A lot of people restrict their partner from doing things that they used to do, and their partner shame them or shun them and tell them that, oh, yo, when you get married now, you can't do certain things. You're a married woman, you should have more pride, or you should have more this. Because people come into your life and want to change you, even if they're not married. Like, people are, you know, people are like that. People are like that in the world. They come into your life and they want to change you. Like, their idea of what they want you to be, they're trying to implement that. They try to force that upon you, and no, that is peer pressure, and that is wrong. So if you're in a situation like that, try to have mediation, try to talk about it, try to express yourself, try to, you know, share with your partner that, hey, this is how I feel, this is what we can do. I don't think we should change. Like, especially females, I know females come under a lot of pressure, and they feel like they don't have like a choice, or they don't have a say. Maybe they're not the breadwinner in the marriage, but you're still you. You're still you, and what makes you you is the things that you used to do, the things that they see in you. So don't let somebody force you or try to change you. Also, men, don't make a lady try to change you. If you used to play football before, ladies, allow the man to play in football, allow him to play his game. if he's doing it too much, try to regulate it in a way that he spends his time wisely, like going to work, playing game, taking care of the kids, taking care of you. In terms of, when I say taking care of things, I mean spending time doing these things. So you don't spend 10 hours playing game, 7 hours working, and nothing for your kids or your wife. Have balance. Spend a few hours on the game, spend a few hours working, spend a few hours with your wife, communicating, talking, all of that. Have balance in the marriage, have balance in the relationship, and that will work out better. And for the male, it's the same way. Don't stop this lady from talking to her female friends on the phone, or going out shopping, or going to parties and stuff. If you feel like, oh, she's going to party too much, go with her. Enjoy yourself with her. Build a bond. You know what I mean? Both of you supposed to be open. Both of you supposed to talk to each other. Both of you supposed to have the type of relationship where you don't feel guilty talking about stuff, you don't feel guilty sharing stuff, you don't feel like, oh, it's going to be a problem, so I can't talk to my husband or I can't talk to my wife. Once you start to have these doubts and start to have this idea, or be like, oh, I can't say certain things around my wife, she's going to be offended, it's because once you do that, you have now laid a foundation where in the back of your mind you can't talk to this person about anything anymore, so you have to go to somebody else to talk to them. And that's sad. Your partner should be the person that you can talk to about stuff. Yes, I know it's easier said than done, and a lot of people are difficult to deal with. A lot of people are stubborn and they don't want to listen, and you can't tell them nothing, and they're going to have their own way, and they're like, oh, so a lot of people are rebellious. Oh, yeah, so you didn't meet me, and you want to change me, I'm not going to change, I'm not going to bow down to the Babylon system, and yo, you can't deal with man, so you know, hey, know what you're doing, a man would walk out of this, you know, you understand what you say? So, you get with people, you have to have balance and understand that a relationship goes both ways, and you don't have to necessarily change. You don't have to change. You can strike a balance. Both of you can bounce ideas off each other. Both of you can feed off each other energy. Both of you can communicate properly. Both of you can, express yourselves, and both of you can share ideas and opinion. They don't have to always align, but they can go down the same road. I can be on this side of the fence, my wife on this side of the fence, and we are look on each other, and we are wave, and we are go on, and and we are swim, and we are walk, and eventually we just come and meet up back on the same fence. You know what I mean? Because people have their own views. Like my wife can say, yo, she like to go left, and I can be like, oh, I like to go right. But you can't be stubborn. Somebody have to drop the ego and be like, you know what, let me try go left sometime, or let me try go right sometime. So striking a balance is important, peeps. So that's all I have to talk about. Striking a balance. You don't have to change who you are when you're married. Just be who you are, and compromise and share and work with each other and build each other and grow stronger each and every day. So I will end on that note, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you again for all your support. It's really amazing that you guys continue to support me, even though I haven't been uploading any videos. But I hope these 2 videos will help you. The one that I did about the passport, and this one. I hope this will help you in a relationship. I hope this give you ideas. I hope this will give you some balance that you can take to your partner and say, listen, this is true, we can do this. You know what I mean? So ladies and gentlemen, I hope everybody is staying safe from this virus. I hope everybody is healthy, taking care of themselves. Thank you again for watching JVLOGS. Plunkett, I am out.